here or you'll be shot.
The tribunal sentenced you to death by a firing squad.
Growing up in Accra, anytime I would visit my grandparents, they use the Lateshi Beach Road. I normally see this huge hill with boards numbered 1 to 10. Where I wonder, what happened for this sign? But if I ask, nobody really they tell me anything. So I told myself I need to find out what happens there, because this doesn't look ordinary. So today, I decided to come around to explore this area. Personally, I've never been this close. I come in peace. Please, don't shoot me. This is the Ghana Armed Forces Shooting Gallery along the Teshila Road.
Charlie, some energy video here. I mean, like, it's real.
From my research, I realized, aside the military using this space for mass shooting practice, there is a historical story behind this place. History has it that people who were sentenced to the death penalty were brought here and they were executed.
The tribunal sentenced you to death by a firing squad.
Between 1957 to 1992, about 37 people have been executed here on these grounds. And the most popular of these executions were the 6 senior military officers who were executed right here on the spot.
The last execution took place in 1993.
In Ghana, the death penalty is imposed after a conviction to murder, attempted murder, genocide, piracy, high treason, and smuggling of gold and diamond.
As we speak now, when a person is convicted and sentenced to death, he is kept in condemned cells for 10 years. After 10 years in condemned cells, the sentence is commuted to life sentence.
However, capital punishment in the Democratic Republic of Congo is still legal. In March 2024, 170 inmates were executed by firing squad.
Don't come here or you'll be shot. If you come here, we will shoot you.